Yeah, hi Durgesh. Okay. Yeah, Durgesh, actually that task has completed.
Okay.
So can you show me can you give me that the demo, what you had completed?
Can you
Sorry,
repeat for it?
your voice is a little bit struggling.
Okay, I will check my model.
Yes.
Can you repeat again what I
Yeah, yeah. Can you give me to the demo what you had completed to that requirement?
said?
Yeah, audible. Am I audible? Hello?
I'm audible. I'm audible.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, you are audible to me. So can you give me that demo, what you had completed requirement?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, please share your screen and show me. What happened, Durgesh? Your voice is not audible.
Audible.
Yes, no.
I'm audible.
Yes, yes. Yeah, you can show me all the layers first of all. Entity layer, DTO layer, controller layer, service layer, repository layer, and exception. So one by one you can show me.
Yes. First one entity
Okay.
and context.
Okay.
And then
Yeah, you are going to directly take into that entity class, huh? Not created a DTO class.
yes, not database. Yes.
Why? Actually, DTO class is required, right, Durgesh?
Okay.
Yeah, you should be. Can you open to that entity class? What you are taking properties?
Yes.
Yeah. So come down and your department. What are the property you take in here? First name, last name, email ID, contact number, address, date of birth, department, position. So here is that I said you there is a two more properties you should be take. Created date and updated date. You are not taken.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And yeah, you should be implement the two properties and you should be take as a DTO class you should be take.
Okay.
Yeah, DTO class it's required because of DTO class is nothing but that farm data, right? So that farm data, what are
Yes.
the fields we have to require? That fields we can implement, we can keep into that DTO class. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So can you show to that controller class?
Yeah.
Yeah, controller class we are going to take in.
First one is get by ID.
Okay.
Recover.
Okay.
Okay. And interview. And also I have handled every error.
Okay.
Response.
Okay. So where you implement save method here? Save method. Get mapping,
So
put mapping, post mapping. Yeah, post mapping. Can you show me? Yes. At the rate valid responsibility. Okay. So yeah, here is that that employee already existed or not. Are you checking that condition? Anyone? Anything? Are you checking any condition?
what?
Because of that employees can have to that only one ID, right? So which one you
Yeah.
are going to storing with that same email ID or name? Are you any condition validated here?
No, I am not taking position.
Okay, okay. So yeah, get employee ID. Get employee ID. Sorry.
I think it's needed for check the priority or level or not.
Yeah, because of one employee it's not able to register and again, right?
Yes.
So if it is already available that data in database, don't want to register again. He will be logging.
Okay, I got it. But I write on in the entity employee, if any line like this make if I registered. So they are not again registered according to this. You want to register new type to use different mobile number. Any specific uh,
Yeah,
information?
that is the reason I said you there is a you can take any email ID or mobile number. It should be validate. That email ID or mobile number is existed already. Is that person is that not able to register one more time?
Yes, yes,
You getting right?
yes, yes.
Yeah. So you can validate. Yeah, that is that you should be validate, right? You can write that condition here. and you are going to retrieve into that id based on employee id, right? To that get at the rate get mapping. So get mapping uh based on what employee id you are going to retrieve, right? Okay, okay. So can you show to that get all employees? All employees is that get all employee list of response entity. Okay. Okay, put mapping, delete mapping section, and yeah. So put mapping. Can you show me that line number 42? What is this? Yeah, employee ID. Employee ID at the red path variable. Request body employee ID. Okay. Okay. So it is fine. And a delete mapping employee ID path variable long. Yeah. And that employee ID you should be take as a data type as a what integer. No need to take as long,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Yeah, there is a you are I think can you go to that where long employee entity class, can you go?
Yeah.
And there is a
Then
private long, that is that wrapper classes you take are data type, that is data type or
it,
wrapper class
I
data.
use the long enough to you say I use the their int that I.
Yeah, you should be take as a data type integer. Integer is that wrapper class, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So same as
Okay.
like yeah, same as like you can change into that there also in controller. And can you go to that what controller again?
Yes.
Yeah. So delete mapping also should be changed. Delete employee ID. Yeah. Can come down. Exception handler. Yes. Exception handler
Okay.
argument method argument exception. Okay. So yeah. Can you open your Postman?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you store one? Yeah, this is that post mapping, right? Post map. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So can you show in your database?
Yes. One. Here you want to use the create data and update data.
No, no need to send request as a created date and updated date. That is automatically it will be update. When
Okay.
yeah, when that data has modified, so put data you are using to that put mapping, right? At that moment, updated date will be it will be get automatically. But created date when you are going to send that request at that moment, created date will be saved. Getting
Okay.
right? Yeah.
Are you seeing my
Yes, yes, it is visible. Yeah, can you save any one data?
import
No.
one?
Yes, yes, through post. I think application not running.
Yes.
How many days it is taken, Durgesh?
2 days.
3 days has completed all those things.
Yes. I have created in I think 1.5 days, but error is just take time to resolve.
Oh,
I try to put and also take time exception when
exception.
put on the post no, the error is a very long term. So
Oh,
handed to the specific message.
okay, okay. So you are getting right what you are done mistake in that. You are resolved right.
Yes, yes, I have tried to some resolve. Like I have get error. First of all, I have created all folders according to the classes. For example, controller class utility
Okay,
folder.
okay,
I have also created this class for different application folder,
okay,
and I try to run. So when post then get not found this URL. So I
okay,
am very irritated. I have searched a folder. I have checked for overflow, other video watch and search, but not find. So some because I learn uh, here already to find this class in a this folder, not a separate folder.
yes,
So I will try uh, on that and run and split properly.
okay,
So I had
very good,
that's good.
very
If
good.
my if I want to run a separate folder this, so how to can manage
Which class you are creating a separate
this
folder? Huh?
this in
Employee
class?
employee registration application. No?
Yeah.
Employee registration application you are keep in where in service package. Huh?
No, no. Step, step,
So everything is that separate packages, right?
yes, sir. But I want to separate for and employee registration, but not um, any specific solution. So I will remove it and specific. If I check my first or second push on the top, so you check
Yeah,
I
I
make
think
it.
I
So
think there is no separate package for to that as a base package yours. I think so. You should be create as a base package. Then you can extend your what package you are going to create it. See, first of all, we are going to creating that package name as a what? Uh, Java. Where your package is here? Java. org employee registration dot employees, right? That is org dot employee registration dot employees is that base package you are going to creating that base package, right? So you should be
yes,
extend to that org dot employee registration dot employees dot controller you should be create like that.
yes.
It will be read to that component scan annotation, right?
Yeah, I try to use the scanner here.
Component scanner.
Use scanner. Yes, but not on the any specific solution. I
Yeah,
try
yeah.
here.
Why it is not able to found is nothing but there is no base package. So that is the reason base package is required. That base package you should be followed to that creation up to that next packages. Yeah, yeah. Can you send request? We can see.
Then contact number not should be private.
Okay. So go and check in database. Okay. Okay. So come to that postman again.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you pass first name as a empty? Okay. And can you give to the first name as a space? Okay. Can you check to that mobile? Yeah. Can you give to the first name any name? We can give that first name. And can you, yeah, there is a mobile number, is there, right? Can you give to that mobile number empty? Very good. Can you give us some space? Can you give to that 10 zeros? Okay, okay. That validation is fine. And yeah, so are you checked with all the fields with validation?
Yes, yes.
Very good, very good. And yeah, so here is that good, no problem. And what can you go to that service IMPL class?
Yes.
Service IMP. Yeah, can you go first of all interface? Interface service interface. Okay.
Here I use the long any problem.
No, we should be used to that integer. That is that long is that data type, right? We should be used to that wrapper classes.
Okay.
And there is a employee, staff employee, updated employee, delete employee. So why you are taken to that void for delete? Void.
Sorry.
Can you delete one employee from your database? Go to that postman and can you delete? What it's happened? Which ID you are going to delete it?
2.
Two you are deleted, right? Can you show me database? It is deleted. Okay. So, but there is no response. Response came right here.
Yeah, I checked Servlet.
Yeah, and yeah.
Yeah.
Can you? Yeah. 1 minute. There is a you are going to delete ID employee ID 2, right? Can you give to that 4? Can you give to that 4? There is no employee ID as a 4, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you give that 4 and can you delete it? Employee not found with ID. Very good. That validation has completed. Good. So yeah, that response should be come back. Okay. You are missing to that return type or to the delete.
Yes. I
Can you go to that controller class and can you show me what you are taken to that return type or delete?
this.
Delete mapping, right? So delete mapping public response entity. Here is that
Yes.
yeah, here also not able to passing any strings. So it should be give to that
Yes.
return type as a string. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
You are passing void here,
Yes.
right? So that is that you can noted it and you should be
Yeah.
complete it. Yeah. And yeah, can you go to that any update operation?
Yeah. Import.
Yes. Yeah, first you can retrieve the employee ID. Based on employee ID, can you retrieve a single employee? You can use get. Yeah, get. You can use. Can you retrieve that particular employees? Yes, employee ID not found with IDs. Very good. Can you retrieve to that ID two also not there? Okay. Okay. Yeah, it is working fine. And can you delete any? Not delete. Updated. Yeah, you are using post.
Oh.
It should be modified. It's not able to come. It will become like that. It should be modified, right? First of all, data that employee ID. You can retrieve the data. Go to that get employee. You are retrieving that single employee, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. This is the put you are using. It's not able to come like that. Yeah, you can copy that data. Data you can copy it and go to that post mapping. Post put. Sorry. Yeah, you can copy paste here. Which employee ID you are going to change it? Employee ID 3, right? So what is that instead of Durgesh? Can you give any other's name? Yeah, okay. It's not able to go. You are what you are doing. So there is you can check. You are going to it is uploaded, right? But your request can you check your request? Your request can you check? HTTP employee, you are given to that employee ID. No. Here only input mapping. You are given to that employee ID 3, but there is a employee ID 1. Request you are going to send in.
Yes.
You are given to that employee. Which ID it is going to modified? Can you go and check in your database? It is updated to that employee ID 1, right? One, right?
Yes.
Yeah, go and check your postman. You are passing to that ID also as a 3. Employee ID passing as a 3, right? Which ID you are going to send in?
No, I am passing one now. Here. See.
Yeah, you are assigning to that there, but you are going to give in as a employee ID 3.
No, here.
Yes.
Pardon.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. If I have
Can you send again?
one.
Yeah. Is updated, right?
Yes.
Okay. So can you give to that first name? First name as a empty.
Okay.
First name must be required. Yes, very good. So working fine. And can you update with that ID as a which ID is not available in database? Can you update it? Employee not found with ID 4. Very good. Exception handling also working fine. Okay. So can you show your exception classes?
Yeah, sure. First, global.
Okay.
And the part
Resource
of this.
resource not found exception. Can you go that class? Extended from where? Which class? Runtime exception. Okay.
Servlet tag.
Okay. If you are using to that exception, then what is the problem?
Sorry.
If you are using, there is a two ways we can extend that class, right? By using exception and by
Yes.
using runtime exception. What is the issues with that?
Sometimes section we have put on the thread, we have handled on the time of content. Like there are many types. Next handling.
Mhm.
Like null, array, not for index, not for. They have some different types. At the
Okay.
time not or type, but the int and null like that the errors are coming for content.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So actually, your implemented has completed. Can you show me to the Jane test cases? Has Are you completed?
Yeah, it's very tough for me, but I have first time I write,
Very
but
good.
it also take I think 4 to 5 hours
Okay.
because I don't know testing. So
Okay. So yeah. Come down. Yeah. Start here.
I have
Employee.
tried this how to this first time.
Okay. Given
When
employee service. Yeah. What are the annotation you are going to use it here? Can you go up? What are the annotation
yeah,
here?
it web mock test
Okay.
or
Auto
employee
while
controller.
mock bill, employee service,
Here
mock.
is also I have override.
You are mocking to that which service, yeah, service class you are going to mocking, right? And where
Yes.
you are going to inject, not using injector.
Yes. It's necessary or what?
Yeah, is nothing but, so it should be due to that as a what mocking. Which class you are going to mocking? You should be give that. You are going to mocking injecting to that controller class, right? You should be used to
Yes.
that, yeah, controller class. And come down.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, there is a response performance post employees content type media type application JSON content response dot customer. Okay, come down. But where is your expected actual values and expected values?
I type all types of mine here for the real value ID.
No, 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 no. Actually, there is a assert equals. It will be expected and actual values. It will be expected. Can you run this? Can you execute this JUnit test cases?
Yeah, sure. A particular any method, yeah, all.
All you can.
Yeah, sure. Here is why so red.
Runtime error test. That is not error, I think.
Here is all.
Just run 8 failures. Just run 0 failures. 8 failures. Build success. JUnit test cases you are running, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Go to that. Yeah, go to that. Yeah, you can stop now. This is the test. You can stop, and you can give to that any error into that. And can you run? What is that exception? It will become because of there is a view name null. It is going to get it, and the test cases you should be false, right? So that assert equals not show. There is a what you written here. So there is a we need to write as a assert equal method. So that method can be identify expected values and what expected value, actual value we need to give here. So can you check with that what In your test cases you can do any wrong, and can you test it?
No, I have here, for example, I have passed body in implied null. Huh?
Okay.
When we are checked,
Storage is mark HTTP request, first name, position, senior, final respect. So where it is? That is that what body that JSON data has came as a body, right? Employee ID coming as a null. First name Raja is came, but we should be give to that word guys employee IDs, right?
yeah,
Can you show me your control what Jane test cases? Yeah, where
for
is your
example,
employee ID? You are not passed, I think.
I have not passed in implied ID.
Yeah, but it will be expect, right? That entity class should be expected to that. We are going to create it as a yeah, employee ID already created with a long, right? That ID we are not able to given here, I think, or to that
Because here,
printing
uh,
and exception JSON path. It should be give here, right?
yes, check the value right expectation.
Yeah. So that is that missing. And can you what next methods? Can you go to that as a test cases again? Test cases
Even in
console.
the
Yeah, here also is the same.
here is passing employee ID. Check if any employee, for example, not found. Ready?
Mm, close exception. We are passing to that employee not found, but how many employees you are going to store into that as a first only one employee?
Yes, yes, only one.
So that employee doesn't have to that employee ID. Yeah, you should be check it. You should be check it. And yeah, can you show me to that service class test places?
No, I am not like service class for test.
Yeah, it is required, right?
Okay, I am right. For
Can you complete it tomorrow? Both what you had completed, there is a DTO class missing, and there is a validation for to that employee saving. Okay, and you had yeah you need to complete to that test cases for what service class service IMPL. Yeah, there is a three things has missed, right?
okay, did you first of all change long
Yeah, data type you should be changed.
class,
Yeah,
and second one is a did you.
DTO. What are the properties you can keep in that? Can you tell me?
Yeah, I have passed.
Except created date and updated date and ID. You should not be giving that.
Okay,
Remaining things you should be give. Okay. Yeah, you should be
okay,
analyze. You should be analyze. There is a UI form is there, but can we give to that employee ID from to that form? No, right?
no, it's not needed.
Yeah.
No,
So that is the reason. What are the data coming from to that form? That data you can take into that DTO.
okay,
You are getting right, and you should be yeah. And how you can store save into that as a database? Can you come into that service IMPL class?
okay.
Yeah. So before saving that, you are going to saving here as a directly what employee entity class you are saved here. But DTO class you
Yes,
should be converting to that entity. Do you know conversions?
Yes. Yeah, I write with validation Q20.
Yeah, okay. So tomorrow, can you complete it this time at 4 or 5?
Yeah, I try to my best.
Yeah, please do it, so that yeah, only small mistake is there, and not small mistake, you are written as a almost completed, but you are not started to the join test cases for to that service IMPL, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you should be completed, and you should be create as a DTO class, that's all, and that data type you can
Okay.
change, right?
And also mention validation.
Yeah, validation.
Implementation.
Yeah, validation. You should be validating where in service IMPL level only. No need to check into that
Yes.
where. Yeah, controller. Okay, controller. It will be take only request and response. No need to write any condition related things. Do you have
Yeah.
knowledge on what mapper class?
Master class like one to one and one
No,
to
no,
many.
no. There is a conversion.
Yeah, I little bit know, but I can do.
Yeah. Please. Okay. Yeah, please complete
Okay.
tomorrow at to same time. Okay, I will take it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Durgesh. Yeah, tomorrow we will connect again.
Yeah, sure. Thank
Yeah.
you.